Mr. Bitar, did you have enough time with Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
You can have representation.
Calling 210189FD. State of Michigan versus Matthew John Lewis. Appearances, please.
Hello.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Bitar on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
Can you state your name for me, please, sir?
Matthew John Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, today is the day and time set for your felony arraignment. Before we begin, I want you to know that there are a couple of people here for you. There is a Mr. Lewis, a Miss Washington Lewis, and a Miss Murphy. They are in the Zoom room. They should be able to see you, but they will not be speaking, but I wanted you to know they were here.
Okay.
Mr. Bitar, as to the arraignment in this matter.
Your Honor, I've gone over the charges with him. We'll waive a formal reading. Stand mute, please.
Thank you. Mr. Lewis, were you able to hear Mr. Bitar just now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you have a right to have an attorney in this matter. Beyond the arraignment, there is a petition for court-appointed attorney attached to your file. I am signing that. You'll have assigned counsel with you during the pendency of this matter. 4/20/2021.
Judge, does that form have his phone number on it?
It does not. Thank you. Your phone number, Mr. Lewis?
734-961-8098.
Thank you, sir. Your next appearance date will be your probable cause conference. That will be next Wednesday, April 28th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. with Judge Oakley.
Okay.
The next issue is your bond in this matter. Everyone has an opportunity to be considered for pretrial release. There is a recommendation in the file from law enforcement that your bond be set at $10,000, 10%, and that you'll be put on alcohol tether. Mr. Bitar, your response.
Judge, I'm asking you to consider a personal bond. This is a reissue of a case that originally was issued back in 2020. Mr. Lewis appeared at that court hearing. He was given a personal bond originally on this case, appeared at the PCC or the exam, and the case was subsequently dismissed when an officer failed to appear. So the case has now been reissued, which the people have a right to do, and we understand that. But we don't believe he's any type of flight risk or a threat to the community at this point. This case happened over a year ago. He's employed. He has 6 minor children that reside with him. He's done home improvement, self-employed for the past 14 years. He has strong family support. So I think a personal bond in this case would be appropriate. This was a reissue again, Judge, and he wasn't aware of this warrant, or else he would have come in and turned himself in.
Just looking back in the file to see if there was anything else. Looking to see if Mr. Lewis has any other warrants or holds on him.
Judge, I didn't see any other warrants or holds.
Inasmuch as Mr. Lewis has previously submitted himself in this matter, the court is going to enter a bond of $10,000 personal, but he is not to be released without a GPS alcohol tether. And that will actually change his time next week, not at 8:30. It'll be at 9 o'clock. He's to consume no alcohol during the pendency of this matter. Anything else, Mr. Bitar?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Anything else from Romulus?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
We're all set. Mr. Lewis, we'll see you next Wednesday, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
So Connie will come by and pick you up and take you to get your tether.